Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 25 to October 1, 2023. Ayan, so I hope you are all doing well, strong and healthy, Capricorn. So general reading lang to, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, just take what resonates. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, so let's see your energy for this week, Capricorn. Ano yung energy ng mga Capricorn? The King of Wands. You may be going out often, may pag-travel, going to different places, maaring related sa business na kung meron kayong tinatayong business or may current business kayo, you might be traveling a lot to check on some mga materials, ganyan. And also, this is someone is very creative, creating something out of passion, out of yung talents and skills. So you are so creative this week, Capricorn. And then, let's say your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Capricorn? Okay. 5 of Pentacles. Ang challenge niyo, finances. Maaring may mga imbalance, no, sa mga kaperahan ninyo, yung pagpasok ng pera, yung cash flow ninyo. Some of you might also be helping someone related sa pera. And ano rin to, it's like a reminder for you to manage your finances well, no? Kung medyo hirap na sa financial situation ninyo, so mas maganda na mas maging madiskarte kayo in managing your current financial situation. Instead na madagdagan yung utang, bawasan na. Okay? So, let's see naman, ano yung opportunity for you, Capricorn? The 3 of Wands. Oh, ayan. So, may opportunity for you to expand, increase your sales, increase your earnings. May mga bago pang opportunity for you to create money, make money through your talents and skills and creativity. Yung iba sa inyo, related to sa internet, related to sa, can be online selling. This can also mean trading sa ibang bansa, no? This is about expansion kasi. So, some of you are expanding your business, adding new products or services, or yung iba naman sa inyo, pagdating sa trabaho, sa career ninyo, mas marami pa kayong training na ina-attenan para mas madagdagan yung inyong kaalaman. And syempre, the more trainings you have, the more possibilities na ikaw yung makonsider sa next project at pwedeng maging dahilan yan ng promotion mo in the future kasi meron kang platform to showcase your skills. Okay? So this is your blessing, the 6 of Pentacles. So this is balance ng finances ninyo. So kung may challenge kayo sa imbalance ng finances, you will be able to recover from this, no? Ngayong week na to. So, pwedeng may kailangan ka lang talagang pagkagastusan or medyo nag-overspend ka lang or mag-overspend ka lang this week pero mababawi mo rin naman yan, no? Lalo na kung yung pagkakagastusan mo is investment na sa business na babalik rin naman yung ininvest mo, yung pinuhunan mo. Okay? So, let us see. Pwede rin merong matatanggap ka na financial blessing through the help of your friend or your loved one or through the help of someone. Your recent past, Capricorn. Nine of Cups. Merong maraming mga masasayang ganap sa'yo in the past. Pwedeng you've been going out with some of your friends, celebrating yung mga achievements nila or achievements mo. Or ikaw mismo, you feel like in the recent past, meron kang na-achieve, na-fulfill. This can be one of your goals, na-fulfill mo siya. So, you're feeling good about it. Yung present energy mo is the Queen of Swords. Ayan. So, ngayon mas mas matalino, mas careful, no, sa mga gagawin mo. Hindi mo lang siya basta gagawin, but pag-iisipan mo na rin siya. I think marami ka nang natutunan sa yung past, no, sa mga experiences mo in the past, and you know what's best for you, and you will not take anything less than what you deserve. Okay? And your near future energy is the Seven of Wands. You are here to stay, Capricorn. And with the Seven of Wands, it seems na unti-unti naabot mo na yung mga goals and dreams mo, and you are here to protect them. Ayan nasa taas ka na. Although meron pang mga mountains sa harap mo na pwede mo pang akyatin, no? So I feel like you are more inspired kasi nakikita mo yung resulta ng pinagpaguran mo, ng pinaghirapan mo. So kumbaga may milestone, okay? You are achieving milestones. So, yung mga goals mo, nakukuha mo one step at a time. Let's see what else. Capricorn. For Capricorn. Okay. Divine Feminine, you are being called to rise. Yes. You are rising. Umaangat ka. Okay? Mas umaangat na ang buhay mo, ang sitwasyon mo, ang estado mo sa buhay, pwedeng career, or even your relationship na if you are in a relationship. Acceptance. This is also accepting who you really are, being true to yourself, na you don't need to compare yourself sa ibang tao dahil lahat tayo unique. So you are going to embrace your uniqueness. And then let us get a self-care card for you, Capricorn. What is the self-care message for Capricorn? Peace. Kapayapaan. Just because some people are fueled by drama doesn't mean you have to attend the performance. Make your life a drama-free zone. Of course. Ayun yung mga ayaw ng Capricorn. They don't like drama. So for you, you are going to be focused on your goals, your dreams. Iiwas ka sa mga toxic at drama sa buhay because gusto mo ng peace of mind, no? Katahimikan ng isip. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.